In this video, I'm going to show you how to make forms in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the home page, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to exact page in which you want to make a form to. And to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side on the navigation panel, and either the private or the team spaces section, you want to click on a page. Let's say I want to add a form to the tasks page, and the first thing that you want to do is you want to click on a blank space. And if you do click on a blank space, it will ask you to write, press space for AI, or add slash for commands. We want to add a slash for commands. Just add slash and then type on forms. It will actually show the form block, which is considered as a database. So click on form. After adding the form block, it will actually take us to the form builder. This is actually very interesting. Within Notion itself, we can add a form title, and we can add a description, but it is optional. We can also edit the questions, let's say for question number 1. And then if you want to edit it instead of respondent's answer, what we can do is actually click on the box itself. Then you will see a tab on the right-hand side for the question options. We can make this required into a description or into a long answer, but most especially, we can change the question type. Let's say the question type is a multiple choice for each and every task. We can do that, but we can also add it into a checkbox, just so that they can select multiple things. But let's say we want to add another one for their name and email. So you will see on the very bottom an option to add question. It is a plus, be sure to click on it. Now, if you are satisfied with the form itself, you can actually share the form. And to share the form, you just want to go to the top bar, and on the right hand side, you will have an option to share the form. We could also preview this by clicking on preview besides share, and you will see the form itself. We can also answer the form on our own. And if we click on submit, we can actually view our response. And to view responses, you'll go to the top bar into the form itself, into the form builder. Beside the form builder, you will see the responses, and the responses will actually be into a database form. And that's about it. That's how to make forms in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.